Happy Tuesday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I know I haven't posted in about a week. I am so sorry for that. The sickness just had me down and I've been nursing myself back to health, but we are back and in full force. And I know y'all are looking for non-phone work from home jobs that are not customer service. So that is what I have for you today. I have 6 different jobs for you, including Converse and UPS hiring. And no, the UPS job is not the roadie job that is always available. They are hiring non-phone positions. We also have a lot of positions that require you to enter data, verify data, validate data, one that even requires you to review and validate and double check images. So a lot of reviewing, validating, and entering data in these jobs. Pay is going to be dependent, of course, on the job, but most of these jobs range anywhere from $24 an hour up to $34 an hour. Some even pay just a little bit more. So hopefully you have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. But as always, if you're looking for something specific, you can leave in the comments what you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you're trying to get to any of these pages that I'm sharing today, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we'll just start off with UPS's hiring. They have 38,000 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for remote work from home audit specialist. So that means you're really going to conduct audit or reviews of their royalty submission forms that are submitted to them. And then you're going to provide the support to the franchisees in the network. So the franchisees are going to submit the sales data, audit reports, all the things. And you're basically reviewing the monthly royalty reports, verifying them for accuracy, conducting audits for the financial data and the reporting. And then, of course, you'll present your audit findings and follow up on any communications for your managers or the franchisees. So this may require you to communicate internally with people you work with, but it is not a customer service phone job. You're just going to respond to all the reporting and audit related questions from your boss in all the things. Now, because this is auditing financial data, they do want somebody who has basic knowledge of accounting theories and principles, but that's a basic knowledge. They prefer a bachelor degree, but they don't require one, as long as you have that knowledge of those accounting principles and you can capture documents and accurate information, so you can be very detail oriented and supply those details when they're requested of you. Of course, basic financial terminology, you've got to understand like profit and loss statements, cash flow statements. And of course, because this is reporting, you do have to be proficient in using Excel or spreadsheet like Microsoft Office Excel, using advanced formula techniques like VLOOKUP, pivot tables. However, this position is fully remote. The last day to apply is January 26th of 2025. And sadly, they say that the job is pay grade 10D, but they do not say what that is. So salary will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have the Alzheimer's Association hiring. They have 598 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a donor services gift processor. This is full-time remote. And you're basically going to process transactions delivered for their regional donor services. So when these financial donor transactions come in, you're entering those data or those transactions into the donor database by manual and automated sources. So you're going to review those source documents that these transactions are coming in on and interpret the appropriate revenue and where to enter those transactions. So again, a lot of data entry with this one. You're just configuring the various sources for data entry into that donor database. Now again, you're going to have to communicate with your staff that you work with and other internal people that you work with, but this is not a customer service phone job. It's mainly just entering these transaction data into the system. Of course, while they prefer a higher degree, only a high school diploma is required, and they want somebody who has at least 1 year of experience in some kind of data entry or data processing processing environment. Other than that, you've got to be able to just work with databases, navigate around different software systems, specifically working with like those Microsoft Office systems. So you've got to kind of have like problem solving skills, great organizational skills, and be self-motivated. Now again, this one is full-time remote for the United States. Everything I'm sharing is for the United States only. Pay starts at $24.31 an hour, and depending on your experience and location, can go up to $28.50 an hour. Now, you really wouldn't know it from the name, but Hims and Hers is a healthcare organization. They have 181 reviews with an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a social media moderator. I know social media is in the front of the news right now with the whole TikTok situation going on, but all these companies are probably even going to not only build other social media platforms, but they've got to make sure that their information and the kind of message that they're delivering is on top with their brand, especially when everything is being looked at so crucially right now in the space. So Him and Hers is a leading health wellness platform, and they are really looking for somebody to monitor and moderate all of their incoming comments and messages on all of their social media platforms, making sure that these comments and messages are appropriate and get timely responses. So you're really identifying and acting on any opportunities to enhance that customer relationship and improve that overall brand engagement with the customers. And with that, not only are you giving them information and responding to their comments, you're also flagging potential issues or concerns, like we said, with those communications and content leads, making sure that everything that is posted on the brand's social media is in alignment with their messaging, marketing, and all of that. And you're going to take those customer inquiries, feedback, of course, try to give the customer the best experience possible, but you're also flagging and removing anything that shouldn't be there, any bad things, really, spam, bots, things like that. This will require you to stay up to date on industry trends and platform changes and best practice in social media, because of course we never know what the social media environment is going to turn into, but it is here to stay. No college degree is needed for this one, just somebody who has 1 to 3 years of some kind of social media moderation or community management or customer service experience. They do want somebody who's familiar with multiple social media platforms, including like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all the popular ones. Somebody who has strong written communication skills. You can be a problem solver, and you have those conflict resolution skills. You can kind of take a situation and disengage a little bit. Now, you do have to scroll down a little bit to get to the pay, but pay is anywhere from $24 an hour up to $34 an hour. Moving on along, another data job is from Allied Benefit Systems. They have 144 reviews with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. Allied is looking for a digital data review specialist. And so that means you're going to be maintaining several email inboxes. So this is like answering, responding to email. Again, non-phone, reviewing and completing all keying or data entry request that is received. So you're maintaining these Outlook email boxes, ensuring that all requests for keying non-standard forms or entering non-standard forms into the system is completed and then sent for scanning to be processed. So you're working directly with vendors to kind of organize and distribute all of these different documents, reviewing the necessary information for prescription labels received, different processing for these claims such as CPT codes, amounts, dates, units, and submit all of that in the system for scanning. You're basically reviewing any escalated documents and educating internally to prevent future escalation. So you are basically getting documents in an email box, you are entering into the system and getting them where they need to go for processing. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of some kind of data entry experience. Of course, you've got to be able to navigate around those computer systems, use those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Outlook for email, because that is where you are getting these forms at. This is a remote, a work from home position. And sadly, this company did not list pay either. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, of course, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we have a Converse hiring. Converse is owned, I think, by Nike, but they're their own shoe brand. They have 860 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a digital product specialist. Now, please note, it does say they're open to remote work except in South Dakota, Vermont, and West Virginia. Not sure why those states are not included. Base salary for this position kind of ranges very large. It's going to be dependent on your experience and, of course, your location, but starts at $62,200 a year, goes up to $139,200 a year. But they're really looking for somebody to partner with their product managers and collaborate with their technology, user experience, and digital commerce teams to help really define the business requirements through the user story identification and acceptance criteria. So you're executing product roadmap deliverables like personas, user journey maps, testing scripts. So you're really monitoring and informing on progress of ongoing capability for the enhancement roadmap for Converse, the products that they're going to put out. So you're really kind of researching, analyzing customer insights, identifying trends and analytics, and kind of identifying opportunities for different features, capabilities, things like that. So you're doing a lot of analyzing, reporting, and analyzing trends, trying to be on top of the digital technology and what the next product offerings really should be. Thing about this is they don't require any kind of college degree. They're really just looking for somebody who has experience in either e-commerce or product management. If you have like 2 years experience in some kind of product management, somebody who has a record of kind of being able to partner and work cross-functionally with different teams, like working with the design team or different things like that, strong communication skills, and somebody who's an advocate and being passionate for the advocate, for the customer, and kind of what the customer wants. Now, last but not least, we have Webstaurant Store hiring. They have 484 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a digital image reviewer. Now, this job has been posted before. I feel like I shared it not that long ago, so I'm not sure if they're hiring again or what the deal is with this one, but I just thought I would throw it in here at the end. They do pay $25 to $27 an hour. And so they're really looking for somebody to review their in-house and vendor supplied photography, as well as like 3D images and 3D assets, making sure that the images are correct for what needs to go up on the brand. And you're going to basically mark or give your feedback on any edits or changes that need to be made to these images. So you're not actually having to Photoshop or change the images yourself. You're kind of supplying the feedback, and then the imaging team will correct the images before they go out. So you're reviewing all the digital asset uploads daily, making sure that they accurately represent the product and they match the descriptions of the product page. So if you see errors, things that don't match up, that's where you're giving your feedback at. You're just making sure that the quality matches the brand standards. And of course, documenting any of your quality concerns for the photo team so that they can do their revisions. Now, they do want somebody who has an associate's degree or higher, who has a background kind of like in the arts or photography or something like that. Of course, you've got to be able to use those Microsoft Office computer systems, be a problem solver, use professional thinking, communication, all of that. Now, they are going to provide the computer equipment you need to do the job. Sadly, they only hire in certain states. Although they have quite a few states that they hire in, they are listed down here at the bottom. And again, pay is anywhere from $25 to $27 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.